Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today join me in this peaceful park in Thailand. I'm gonna grab the sketchbook and the pen with me. I began the edge of the pond, setting the foundation for the scene. A smooth curved line to shape the water's boundary. This helps create a depth and perspective. Then I move on to the bridge, carefully sketching its alternating arc supports. These arcs give the bridge its character, a balance of strength and elegance. Next, I added a group of trees, starting with their trunks and then focusing on the leafy edges. The more trees I added, the more alive the scene became. More trees, just scribble around. I also added the lights. For the background trees, I kept them as simple shadow silhouettes, pushing them into the distance and creating with the natural elements in place. I shifted focus to the distant buildings. I love capturing their details, the arches, the lines, and the play of a light and shadow. From left to right, each building adds up its own character and story. If you have reached this part of the video, I just want to say thank you for your time and for your support in watching this video. If you enjoy watching videos like this, please leave a comment below and subscribe so that you will be notified for new video coming. To complete the scene, I place a final tree in the foreground at the left. His presence from the sketch, adding a balance and drawing the viewer's eye back into the part. And with that, the scene comes to life. What do you think of this sketch? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more sketches like this.